ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ to all. You are watching Kannada Kali YouTube channel. I am Satish here. So here we can see we have 6 words. Iddiya means we use it for younger one. That means you are there. Iddiya. We have to press it. Iddiya. But there is one more word called Idiya. That is different. Is it there? Ide and Idiya, there are set of the words, 2 words. But this is Iddiya. You have to little bit pressing is required. Elli iddiya means you know elli, right? Where. Elli iddiya means where are you? Kaha ho tum? Telugu. Ekkada unnavu? Unnavu ante iddiya ani. Ekkada unnavu ante elli iddiya. எங்கே இருக்கிறே சொல்கிறதுக்கு எல்லி இதியா யூஸ் பண்ணணும். அப்புறமா வாட் இஸ் ஏனு. ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் ஏனு and ಏನು ಅಮ್ಮ means what mummy. ಆಯ್ತಾ means has it done. ಆಯಿತು it's done. Okay, you can actually frame nice conversation with you using this. For example, we can take like Ramu, mother says, and Ramu says, ಏನು ಅಮ್ಮ. Ramu, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀಯಾ? Where are you? And Ramu says, ಅಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ದೇರ್. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? Maybe in the next conversation I am going to apply that. And mother says, Ramu, ಸ್ನಾನ ಆಯ್ತಾ? That means, has the bath done? So did you take bath? क्या ಸ್ನಾನ हो गया? ಆಯಿತು ಅಮ್ಮ. ಆಯಿತು means it's done. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯಿತು ಅಮ್ಮ. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯಿತು ಅಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ? ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, so this is small conversations in how nicely we can apply the iddiya, elli iddiya and ಏನು, and then ಏನು ಅಮ್ಮ, ಆಯ್ತಾ and ಆಯಿತು. Actually the ಆಯ್ತಾ and ಆಯಿತು we use a lot. I hope this would be useful to you all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ to all.